Good day, everyone. I am Andre Erold Sena, and today I will discuss one of the most important information and communication technology trends in the world today, artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence refers to computer system that can that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks includes learning, problem solving, decision making, speech recognition, and image analysis. AI is rapidly transforming industries and has become one of the most influential technologies of the modern era. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems. AI uses large amount of data and algorithms to learn patterns and make decisions, unlike traditional computer programs that allows fixed instructions. AI systems can learn and improve over time. Ability makes AI one of the most revolutionary technologies in modern computing. Application of AI. AI is used in many applications that we encounter every day. Virtual assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants use AI to understand voice commands. Streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use AI to recommend videos and movies. In healthcare, AI helps the doctor detect diseases and analyze medical images. Some companies are also developing self-driving vehicles powered by artificial intelligence. AI has become an important tool in education, business, transportation, and communication. In benefits and impact of AI, artificial intelligence provides many benefits to society. First, it increases productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Second, it helps organizations make better decisions through data analysis. Third, it improves the quality of healthcare and education. In the computing industry, AI creates opportunities for software development, cybersecurity, robotics, and data science. Because of these advantages, many experts consider AI one of the most important technology developments of our generation. And here are the challenges and conclusion of AI. Despite despite its advantage, AI also represents challenges such as privacy concerns, misinformation, and ethical issues. Therefore, AI should be developed and used responsibly. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming how people live, learn, and work. Its impact on society and the computing industry continues to grow, making it one of the most significant ICT trends today. As future, IT professionals understanding AI will help us adapt to technological changes, and contribute to future innovations. Thank you for watching. And here are some reference of AI, like Microsoft AI, Google AI, the Gemini, and for Microsoft AI is Copilot, IBM Artificial Intelligence, OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, Britannica Artificial Intelligence, like that. Thank you.